Welcome. I'm Robert Mosely. Now that you've mastered the first lesson on blowing the Brute Hoot Owl Call, this is lesson number 2 to show you the versatility of the call. If you haven't seen the first video, go back and look at it, and then come back and watch this one. Now, my hooter has a screw, and all that screw does is hold the hooter together. It has nothing to do whatsoever with how it sounds or how it's tuned. Now, we can remove the screw. The hooter slides apart. We cup our hands to make a sound chamber. We mimic the laughing of the barred owl by simply moving our hands around. And the purpose of cupping your hands is to make your sound chamber, which is the same thing my barrel does. And my barrel makes it more consistent. Thank you. Practice and make them gobble. Good hooting.